Scotiabank came away 1-0 winners against Unity Strikers in the annual Sandals Ochi Summer Sizzle football competition earlier this week at the Ruins football field in St Anne. Sean Wallace scored for Scotiabank to give them the win. Player-coach of Scotiabank, Ryan Francis, was concerned about his team's short preparation time, but is proud of their performance.
Very hard fought because, we are all bankers here and we really don't get a lot of time to practice. Since this competition we have started doing some training about twice a week for the last month, trying to get in some condition, and I guess hard work pays.
Coach of Unity Strikers, Daniel Campbell, thinks his team should have done better.
Alright, we come to play a box-to-box football, but the man them tired legs reach them. As a man, we play ball every morning, but I don't know what happened. It's a poor choice by the defender to run left the goal, so he conceive a goal.
The other game on the day saw Sandals Ochi and Huddersfield playing out a 1-1 draw. The competition kicked off on Monday with Beaches Ochi clipping Jamaica Inn Hotel 1-0.